Hello lovely people, how are we all doing today? I hope everyone is well. I hope you have a good day today, tomorrow, whenever it is you're watching this video. And I hope that your weekend's been okay. You've seen the picture, you've seen the title, you know what we're here for. We're here for this month's Roccabox. This is April's Roccabox. And I decided just to show you this because it's so beautiful. Because spring is here, they've given us this beautiful card. Roccabox is a monthly subscription. I think it's £10 a month, but £3.95 postage and packaging. So do you want to find out what's inside? Well, the secret password is subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you if you're a new subscriber or an old subscriber. I'm so happy to have you all on Team High Def. Of course, you can hit that notification bell so you know when I upload, because it's pretty random. And it would be great if you could share this video so more people can find out about Roccabox and my channel. And lastly, I'd love it if you could give me a big old thumbs up and let me know that you enjoy these Roccabox unboxings so I know that you want me to do it again next month. Because I need some feedback, guys. Okay, let's get into the video. Yes, finally! This is the time of year that we like to give our beauty routine a little shake-up, a spring clean, no less. Now is the perfect time to pamper your skin with products that will rejuvenate and revive a winter-worn complexion, refresh your makeup tool stash and get experimental with new makeup products in fun shades from lesser-known yet super promising brands. So, in light of all that, we've put together a bundle of exciting spring-fresh pamper products that will give you a boost, put a spring in your step. Did you see what we did there? And we'll get you prepped for those summer months that are just around the corner. Let's get into it. Roccabox is always like this, a white box with like, what is that called? Rose gold embossed in writing on it. And this is what's inside the box. Looks like a nice big full box. I'm going to pull this out first from the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and they're slanted tweezers in a kind of gold, slightly rose gold colour. I'm going to pull this out because I've just had an eyelash curler from the Vintage Company. So now I have like a little makeup set going on here. It says high quality rose gold, you see, that's what I said. Slanted tweezers for easy brow shaping, made from stainless steel and hard wearing. These are a must have for every girl's makeup bag. It's a British brand, although it's made in China. Beautiful packaging though. If you didn't keep on top of your brow game over winter, shame on you. Then now's the time to start redefining those arches. Pluck away stray hairs with precision and style using these gorgeous tweezers in a sassy rose gold finish, no less. And I believe these will be joining their little playmate in my giveaway box because I don't really have a need for them right now. I get my eyebrows done elsewhere. There we go. Next up we have this from, I don't know, do you say it Mina? I don't know how you say this at all. This is from their collection, their nail polish. They have other ones like the gel polish or the something polish, and that is the name. And it looks like this, and it's quite like a sort of neon-y bright peach to orange colour, like a bright peach but less bright orange, if that makes sense. It's £4.95. Actually on the website at the moment the nail polishes, these ones, the nail polish, are on sale for £3.45 each. It's time to start paying a little attention to your nails. A polish that delivers smooth, glossy colour, brilliant shine and a sumptuous plumping effect will transform your talons. This polish with its hardware formula that prevents chipping is giving us the look of a pro mani without the price tag. Oh, and this is very springy shade, pulls our polish wardrobe into this season. There is a promo code, which I'll put on the screen, on 3net.com. We like a little discount, don't we? Next we have a product from Larizzi, and they are a cruelty-free company. Paraben-free. This dramatic and bold pencil is a winged eye essential. Its flawless application will guarantee you nail that spring-summer 18 flick every single time. So presumably this is black. Oh, no, it's not black. Have we already had this colour before? I feel like I've got this colour. Well, maybe not. It's gold. No, I haven't got this colour actually. It's gold. So kind of like a coppery, shiny gold. It looks quite brown there, but it's definitely gold, not brown. It's probably about right for creaminess to firmness application, for if you're thinking if it's eyeliner. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that because you can't see anything. So this isn't creamy enough to go in your waterline without either a lot of poking or maybe heating up, which I've never tried. But I think it will be okay to do a above, like an eyeliner wing or some kind of decoration, or maybe even lip liner. But they do say for wings, they don't recommend it for waterline. So that's only what they promised. Next we have this. It's from Anatomicals. It's a firming cloth mask. And part of Anatomical's fun is that they have these funny little sayings like, we can see we need to be firm with you, and it's a firming mask. Do you get it? Do you get the fun? Super fun, right? We just love this fun little brand. The attention-grabbing packaging and playful quotes are really brightening up our morning routine. The soft cloth facial masks are quirky, but they also work. This firming version will give skin a plumped up, tighter appearance in no time at all. So I am going to try this mask, of course, and give you a review, but I will be trying it in the morning because that's when I need my face to be firmed and ready to go. It's the new rule in my life. It's got this really cool picture on the back as well. This will not taking any prisoners. Our cloth mask gives the appearance of skin lifting and elasticity improvement. Its specially formulated marine ingredients will help to instantly plump and tighten for skin that will look younger, smoother and more luminous. Sounds pretty good. Now, I've left the best till last. Have I ever mentioned that I have a problem with my under eye bags? Dun, dun, dun. Even extra heavy concealer doesn't make them go away. Let's go here, it looks a bit better here. So how delighted was I when I saw this in my box? From Laid Bare, Naturally Inspired Beauty, pack your bags. Lighten, and tighten. Get rid of those bags, please. Eye cream with buckwheat wax and eye bright extract, and it's also anti-aging, which is great. Only the right ingredients laid bare. No petrochemicals, no sulfates, parabens, synthetic fragrance, synthetic colours, tea, DEA, glycols or animal testing. It says pack those bags and say goodbye to sleepy eyes. Our clever eye cream contains buckwheat wax, an incredible ingredient to help reduce puffiness and dark circles. Shea butter hydrates and eye bright helps reduce the appearance of redness and brightens the skin. Normally I wait for my last eye cream to be used up and then move on to the next one. No, I'm going to try this tonight. And it contains almond oil, if that's a problem for anyone. Here at Laid Bare HQ, we've worked hard to offer you something different. Our natural ingredients are specially selected, so each of our products is full of super rich skin nutrients. No synthetic or damaging ingredients, so all you are left with is truly fabulous skin, whatever your age. It says green is the new black, please recycle in the box. Oh, and it's also an effective treatment for neck contouring and brightening dull skin. So what does Roccabox say? Let me do a scan. It says pretty much what I've already said from the box. Green tea, shea butter and eye bright work hard to reduce the appearance of redness, aka dark circles, and brighten tired skin. Say goodbye to sleepy eyes with this gorgeous cream. Excellent. It's just like a white cream. It doesn't look anything special, doesn't really smell of anything. I can just put that under my eye, right? I just caught sight of that on my hand and I was like, oh, what is that? What is that? Oh yeah, that would be the Larizzi pencil I just put on. Dummy. I thought it was some weird bruise or something. Oh dear. It's because it's late. My brain's too small. Okay, fantastic. What do I think of this month's box? Well, shall I tell you what the total value is? The total value is £35.94. That's almost 3 times the cost of the box. We'll just say that's 3 times the cost of the box, which is excellent. Very happy. Any problems with this box? Well, the nail polish I'm probably not going to use because, you know, my situation with nail polish, I don't really use it. The tweezers, again, they're nothing. I don't really need them. Like, they are a nice thing, but wouldn't most people have tweezers? I don't know. How do we feel about getting things like tweezers? Brushes, I always like. Tweezers, I feel like most people probably have tweezers, but then again, some people won't. So I don't know. I think brushes are a better bet when it comes to cosmetic tools, to be honest, because no matter how many brushes you have, you could always have more. The mask I'm very much looking forward to using. The eye pencil, it's not something I would reach for every day, but it's a good addition. And of course the eye cream is what I'm most excited about, because anything that will help my eye bags just makes me very, very happy. Just looking at that again, the things I'm actually going to use is the eye cream is £8 and the mask at £3. So that makes it about £11 of stuff that I really want. The Larizzi Cosmetics kind of then takes it over box cost, but I could also live without that. I mean, you know, it's nice to have, but it's not like the most exciting. This is a nice box. Maybe it's not the right box for me this month. I guess all will be well with this box if the eye cream works and makes a difference. So I'll be feeding back to you online on Twitter, at Instagram, at Alifeinhighdef. So if you want to follow me there, you can, and you can see what I think of these products as I use them. What do you guys think? Is this a good box? Would you like to receive it this month? Do you think it's worth £13.95? Or do you think there's a few things in there that are just not necessary? And maybe this is the box that you would skip if you had the choice. Let me know down below. I always like to hear your feedback. Thank you so much for watching April's Roccabox video. I hope you enjoyed it and it helped you out finding out about these products and what you would get if you order this box. Until you see me next time, I hope you live every moment well and take care of yourself. Bye guys!